Meet the TW3232 Wireless Sounder Strobe, the powerful audiovisual alert device designed for modern wireless fire alarm systems. Using FOSS-Link wireless communication technology, the TW3232 eliminates the need for wiring, making installation simple, flexible, and cost-effective. Its high-brightness LED indicators ensure a clear, eye-catching display that demands attention when it matters most, while maintaining low power consumption for long-term use. With a built-in sound gradient function, the TW3232 adapts to a wide range of environments, alerting occupants with a powerful, reliable audio signal. A smart undervoltage reminder ensures maintenance is never missed, keeping your system dependable and alert, day in, day out. Operating on DC 3.0V, ultra-low current draw, less than 40 μA during monitoring, flash frequency from 1.1 to 1.8 Hz with a customizable cycle. RF range of up to 300 meters in open space. IP30 rated with an operating range from 0 degrees Celsius to plus 55 degrees Celsius. Engineered with a compact, stylish profile and built for quick installation, the TW3232 blends performance with practicality.